videos with Canva. Canva is one of the most versatile design tools out there, perfect for beginners and experienced creators alike. Whether you're making social media clips, promo videos, or personal projects, Canva makes the process incredibly simple and fun. Let's get started. First, open canva.com and log into your account. On the homepage, go to the search bar at the top and type in video. This will bring up a variety of video templates designed specifically for different purposes. Using a template is a huge time saver, especially if you're just starting out or want a polished look quickly. Take a few moments to browse through the available templates. You'll notice options for promotional videos, slideshows, intros, and much more. Find one that fits your vision and click on it. Once you've chosen your favorite, select Customize this template, and this will open it up inside Canva's video editor. Now comes the fun part, customization. With your template open, start by editing the text. Simply click on any text box to replace the placeholder text with your own. You can easily change the font style, size, and color to match your brand or personal taste. Canva offers tons of font options, so don't be afraid to experiment until you find the perfect match for your project's vibe. Next, let's talk about timing. Adjusting the duration of your clips is simple. Just drag the edges of each scene in the timeline below the editor. This feature helps you control how long each part of your video appears on screen, which is perfect for syncing with music or keeping your video within a specific time limit. To make your video stand out even more, head over to the Elements tab on the left side. Here, you can search for shapes, icons, stickers, or even animations to add flair to your scenes. Just drag and drop them onto your canvas. It's that easy. You can also upload your own images or video clips if you want something more personalized. Once everything looks great, preview your video using the play button at the top. When you're happy with the result, click download, choose your preferred resolution, and export your finished video. Canva lets you download in high quality, making it ready to post on any platform. And that's it. You've just created your very own professional looking video using Canva. With its user-friendly tools and creative flexibility, you can design anything from eye-catching reels to business promos in minutes. So go ahead, explore, and bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.